Assalamualaikum grade 3 students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to video class of English for lecture 1. So let's start today's lecture. Topic is reading comprehension, and the comprehension poem is about 4 seasons. The first thing which comes in mind is what is comprehension. Comprehension is a type of reading with asking questions at the end. First we do reading, then we understand the difficult words' meanings, and after that we write the answers of the given questions. The comprehension helps us to write the answers. What do you know about 4 seasons? So for learning it, open your book page 4 and do reading with me. Dania likes spring. Spring is green. Spring is fresh. Spring has flowers. Spring has bees. Tina likes summer. Summer is hot. Summer is sunny. Summer is time to swim. Summer is fun. Ted likes fall. Fall is cool. Fall is windy. Fall has pretty trees. Fall has many fruits. Jane likes winter. Winter is cold. Winter is white. Winter has snow. Winter has snowmen. These are some of the difficult words of the comprehension. Number first, bee, a flying insect. Number second, fall, the act of moving to a lower position. Number third, windy, unsheltered and open to the wind. From the reading, we learn that Dania likes spring, Tina likes summer, Jane likes winter, spring season has bees. The first question of the comprehension is question A. Who likes spring? The answer is Dania likes spring. Question B. Who likes summer? Tina likes summer. Number C. Who likes winter? Jane likes winter. Number D. Which season has bees? Spring season has bees. Question number 2. Write any 4 proper nouns from the passage. Proper noun means the special name of a thing, place, or a person. So the 4 proper nouns from the passage are Dania, Tina, Ted, Jane. Do reading of this comprehension in your book and complete question 1 and 2 in your book neatly. Thanks for watching the video.